Everyone learns at an early age that electricity provides the light that is turned on and off with a switch on the wall. Everything that has a plug, battery, or switch needs electricity. Today our lives can become very difficult in a very short time without electricity. What is electricity? Electricity is a natural phenomenon. Human knowledge of electricity began with lightning, electric fish, and amber. Prehistoric people observed lightning in the sky during storms. It made a bright light and a powerful noise. It could kill people and animals. It sometimes struck trees, causing fire. It was once thought to be fire from the sky. It is now known that lightning is electrical. There are several types of fish and eels that can sting a person in a way that causes numbness in the area of the sting, but does not cause a wound. These creatures were known in prehistoric times, but not understood. We now know that they have a special defensive organ that generates electricity. Amber is rosin from trees that has solidified over time. It looks and feels like hard plastic. It was gathered and saved by ancient people for decorative objects and jewelry purposes. Some pieces of amber have insects trapped inside. Ancient people discovered that after amber is rubbed with animal fur or skin, it has the power to attract light materials such as dust, lint, and small feathers. That was the very first electrical experiment and discovery. You can try this experiment at home using plastic and other materials that you can probably find. Here you see the same experiment using a plastic bottle and a piece of cloth. Rub the plastic bottle with a piece of cloth and then bring it close to a bit of lint. The lint will be drawn to the bottle and stick to it. Various types of plastic and fabric can be used. Here a piece of plastic pipe is rubbed with a piece of cloth. This is a clear plastic rod being rubbed with a piece of cloth. You can try any materials that you have available. Here a glass rod is rubbed with animal fur. For many years, people wondered about the nature of the mysterious force that causes amber to attract things. Today we know that all matter is composed of atoms. Atoms are composed of electrons, protons, and neutrons. Electrons have a negative electrical charge, protons have a positive electrical charge, and neutrons have no charge. In the diagram, negatively marked electrons are shown orbiting the center of an atom, with positively marked protons and unmarked neutrons forming the nucleus at the center. Atoms, in their normal state, have an equal number of protons and electrons, so their positive and negative charges are balanced. That means that normal materials have no electrical charge. However, friction often causes electrons to transfer from one material to another. Amber holds on to electrons more tightly than cloth or animal fur. So when it is rubbed with those materials, it tends to accumulate extra electrons and become negatively charged. Feathers, pieces of hair, dry skin, and other materials that make dust and lint tend to leave electrons behind when they are separated from their origin. That gives them a positive electrical charge. The attraction of opposite charges causes amber that has been rubbed by fur to attract lint. The same is true for other materials that were shown. This form of electricity is called static electricity. If you rub a balloon with dry hair or fur, the balloon will gain electrons and become negatively charged. The fur will be positively charged because it has lost electrons. Since the balloon and fur have opposite charges, the balloon will be attracted to the fur and stick to the fur, as seen here. Since the balloon is very light, the attraction is strong enough to hold it. If you rub a plastic rod and a balloon with cloth or animal fur, both the rod and the balloon will be negatively charged. Since like charges repel each other, the rod will repel the balloon, as shown here. Thank you for watching. Please visit wiscimuseum.org. Thank you.